Dismount. GA or Def Tank, hold kayo dito. Dito kayo lahat. Huwag kayong magpakita na na-dismounted kayo. Hold kayo lahat dito. Panabang tayo,
Bumalik.
Ano kasi, dati
Yo, ready your potion sa mamaya, may invis eh. Talaga,
may cleric.
ubos talaga tayo.
May nag-put up na.
Nag-put up. Excited ka masyado.
Saan yung scout
Tingnan
na?
mo.
Bumalik Mugi. Bumalik sa ano sa Delta.
Sige, pa-invite sa party to si Nine Universe kung sa atin sasali.
Hindi to feel party boy.
Hindi, dati kasi Mugi, yung alam ko lang dun sa Mammoth, yung split tsaka ano lang, scout. Wala akong alam
Ito
sa
si Domen.
Okay.
Andito si Domen.
I-ready nyo ulit si Doming ah.
Naka-infernal. Ito ba yung color nila? Naka-infernal.
Magpa-full brawl lang sila.
Ano need nyo?
Kahit ano,
Anything.
DPS, brawlers and healers, supports, def tanks. Basically lahat ng sinabi, basically lahat ng role.
Nine Universe, pabalik yung ano sa akin, bid.
Nine Universe, can you give back Bahamut the lead? After this, we go castle. 3 minutes, we go castle, okay?
Set, asa nakaset? Yan, nanay laban.
Lancer Lee din ako, invite niya si Lancer Lee. Doon nakata sila.
Bago, pag may bomb dyan, ubos kayo lahat.
Sige, bobo na yung mamamatay.
Ano, cleric cowl or potion? Pili lang kayo.
Soldier helmet.
Eh, old man's reaction.
Mag-invite pa ba tayo sa ano? Purple?
Oh, kung gusto nila mag ano, castle, go lang. Hindi ko naman in-announce kung ano yung mangyayari sa content na to eh. Pero since may castle.
Direktahan lang naman to eh. Kaya hindi matutuloy eh.
Hindi pinag-iisipan ko kung mag-drop lang. Sige, mag-spread
Nag-zone na, full zone.
Ah,
Full
okay.
zone. On ping. Inauna nila on ping.
Okay. Yo, we stay around the ano lang. Everyone come west side. You get ready to fight. Yo, spread. Yan ako dami yan. Ang laki nila.
Di pa nakikita yung GA. Di pa...
Okay. Yo, listen 2 minutes ha.
Six
Brawlers.
days.
Brawlers pa kahit to. Tapos nag-bonk yung ano nila. Yan nyo. Food up.
Dismounted.
Food up only. Food up.
Di food up.
only.
Post. Di food
Okay.
up post.
OC if you want to. Okay. And then okay. Spread. Full brawl yata sila. Ito yung color nila. Yan yung color nila. Careful.
Eggy.
Careful shallow. We're gonna counter. DPS step up a bit. Yo, brawlers walk in. DPS step up a bit. DPS step up. Yo, careful west side Declump kayo west side. We're gonna counter. Get ready. Oh, do. Yo, they're walking. On the hideout. 5. Wait. Good pick. On the hideout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the hideout. You stop them from walking the hideout. Brawl shallow. Heal up. Brawl shallow. Yo, brawl around. Yo, stop them from walking Yo, DPS find me. DPS find me. Everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Yo, keep rolling around. Brawl around. Yo, stop them from walking, guys. Okay, brawl around. DPS find me. Okay? How many seconds CD?
May looking,
How many seconds CD? Yo, find me. Yo, my DPS, engage on me. Get ready. On top of me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Then spread fast. Yo, left now. Full event. Okay, keep on. Just brawl around. Yeah, it's okay. Just brawl. Everything on top of me. Get ready. Spread. West side. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. On top of me. Okay, keep rolling around. Okay, spread. Ready defenses. Looking. Full event. Oh, nice. Heal up lang. Okay? Walk up northeast. Northeast, guys. Northeast, DPS. Northeast, east side. Find me, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top. On top. Nice. Then spread. Ready defenses. Spread. Ready defenses. Spread only. Keep walking. Spread. Keep walking northeast. Okay, keep walking northeast. Yeah, yo, cash them all. Don't let them out. Don't let them out. Cash them.
Meron pa dito.
Cash them.
Meron pa dito. Yung color.
Nice. Ano yung blob sa Coops?
Hindi ko nakita. Nadaanan ko na.
We don't fuck the fucking... Fuck that, nigga.
Casual. Ah, nice. Marami pa nag-ghost.
Meron pa sa amin. Meron pa sa amin.
Casual.
Dalawa. Healer tayo. Healer. Mas mahal set.
Saan?
Gago sila rin.
North side, mahal daw set. Oh, mahal nga set
Judy
yan.
Judy.
Northwest guys, northwest.
Ay, gago, Judy talaga daw.
Uy, DPS ko, ba't di kayo nakakapag-engage sa task ko? Ang dami natin engage sa start na walang nagka-clap. Anong ginagawa nyo?
May isa pang healer
41.
nasa harap. May isang healer pa nasa harap.
Judy, run breaker ko, diba? Ba't di kayo ba't sa start di kayo nakaka-clap? Okay, patayin nyo to.
Wala nang laban.
Meron pa, dadrop pa ako isa pang beses.
Uy, ready ah. Paano pa?
Wala, madami silang garden, hindi maintain. Hindi ko nga
Hindi.
ma-attack.
Hindi
Tinamaan tayo yan.
Hindi nyo rin maklap eh.
Di yan makapasok.
Ay, mantap.
Sugo.
Kupal yung garden eh, napalibot sa HO, hindi ko ma-attack.
Yung brawler dapat binabrawl yung healers. Yung clap engage ko, bakit parang di kayo tumatama, tol?
At least, may namatay ba sa atin? Di ba wala?
Wala dapat namatay sa atin.